I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Design It. If you are into quantum computing, you don't want to miss this. So Microsoft and Quantinuum just revealed the world's most reliable quantum computer. Equipped with logical quantum bits, it's setting a new standard for computational reliability. The teams at Microsoft and Quantinuum have pushed the boundaries, making error correction a reliable part of quantum computing for the first time. This achievement is a huge milestone towards practical quantum computing. Now, quantum computing has always promised to be able to tackle the problems that traditional computing has not been able to handle. Yet a major challenge has always been its susceptibility to errors. Quantinuum team ran over 1,400 routines without a single error on the Quantinuum's H2 quantum processor. Unlike traditional computing, quantum data cannot be duplicated for backup. So the strategy involves distributing quantum information across multiple qubits, forming robust logical qubits. This causes a significant reduction in error rate, achieving a logical error rate 800 times lower than that of physical qubits. Now, this is a monumental leap towards fault-tolerant quantum computing. Collaboration between Microsoft and Quantinuum is bringing us one step closer to unlocking the full potential of quantum computing. For more on technology, make sure you like and follow Design It, and make sure you visit our website because that's where you can find all the greatest things going on in technology.